In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly outline a PNG image with Affinity Designer. By the end, your image will have a clean, customizable outline on a transparent background, perfect for stickers, thumbnails, and social posts. With your PNG open, we'll keep things simple and fast while making sure the result looks polished. First, select the Flood Select tool. You'll usually find it in the toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket and is designed to select areas based on similar colors. Click on the background of your image. If the selection doesn't grab everything you expect, look at the context toolbar and increase the tolerance slightly so it picks up more of the background. You can also click additional areas to add them to the selection. When the background is selected, press Delete on your keyboard. You should see a checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. If any little halos or patches remain, just click them again with the Flood Select tool and delete once more until the background is fully clear. Next, click Vector to make sure you're working in the vector environment where the outline effect behaves predictably and stays editable. This keeps your workflow non-destructive and gives you flexibility to change settings later without harming the image. Now, open QuickFX. This brings up commonly used effects so you can work faster without digging through multiple menus. From there, choose the outline effect. Toggle it on if needed so you can see the live result on your PNG. Click the color chip to change the outline color. You can choose a solid white or black for maximum contrast, or pick a brand color to match your design. If you're sampling from the canvas, use the eyedropper so the outline complements the image tones. Finally, adjust the radius to set the thickness of the outline. Start small and zoom in so you can judge the edges accurately. A subtle radius keeps icons crisp, while a larger radius gives that bold sticker-style edge around your PNG. If your version offers alignment options, choosing outside often preserves more of the original image while still giving you a strong border. Keep an eye on corners and curves. A slightly thicker radius can help smooth jagged edges on low-resolution PNGs. And that's it. Background removed, outline applied, and color and thickness dialed in. With everything still editable in QuickFX, you can revisit the color or radius anytime to match different projects. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly outlined PNG in Affinity Designer.